Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? And I hope you all are doing good. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive crochet handmade home decoration articles. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are very attractive and useful designs and articles. So very stunning and unique designs. I hope you all love this beautiful collection. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful ideas. I really hope that they will love these amazing trending designs of handmade crochet home decoration ideas. So you know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different themes and decent and unique designs. Must apply these popular designs for a more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them, and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for a new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. Bye bye.